we have to find value of x. We have given that these two sides are congruent, and between this ray and that segment we have right angle, and between that ray and that segment we have right angle too. So if we will put that, will be our A point, B, C and D. We have given that BA ray is perpendicular to CA segment. We have also that BD ray is perpendicular to CD segment. What else? We have that CD segment is congruent to CA segment. So it means that CD is equal to CA. So now we can use converse of angle bisector theorem. And we have that BC ray bisects angle ABD. So if BC bisects angle ABD, it means that measure of angle ABC is equal to measure of angle DBC. So we have equation, because measure of angle ABC is given by this expression. So we have 6x plus 1 degrees is equal to 3x plus 7 degrees. Let's forget about degrees. So we have 6x plus 1 is equal 3x plus 7. I will move 3x to the left side, so we have 6x minus 3x is equal 7, and 1 to the right side, so will be negative 1. 6 minus 3 is 3x is equal 6. So now I will divide both sides by 3. 3 and 3 we can reduce, and we have that x is equal 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we found value of x. This is my solution.